Let's begin in half lotus or a simple cross leg, and you'll bring your hands into prayer. Relax your shoulders and drop your elbows. Inhale, begin to extend the arms out to the sides and keep your elbows relaxed. Stop when you begin to feel your elbows and shoulders tightening. Stay here and hold your breath for 3 to 5 counts. When you are ready to release, do so on the exhale and bring the hands back to prayer. Try to maintain relaxation throughout the whole sequence. Make sure to synchronize your breath with the movements of your arms and repeat 3 to 5 times. If you feel like continuing, you can switch your legs and repeat the breath work.